All right, we've made it. We're at the job site. So the plan here is to dig down about 3, maybe 4 feet by hand, add some gravel down to the bottom, fill up with sakrete, drop the bucket in, fill up some more with sakrete while posting this in the middle, add some braces in, and then sprinkling it with some water, letting it set up, and then we should be good to go. After that's all set up, I've got some floodlights that we'll be putting near the top at a 45-degree angle so it hits this, and hopefully add some light to a nice dark area.
Tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, go on.
All right, I think we call it a day on that. It's about 3, maybe 4 inches below the surface. I'd go deeper, but I'm just pulling up these massive chunks.
No, I don't.
Now that we have our bucket in, we have our braces prepped and ready. Time to bring out the post.
Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, where we land. I got the champagne.
She ain't pretty, but she'll hold.
Double down, roll the dice, take off now. Don't think twice. Hey, don't you want? Say hey. Don't you want?
Now, while we wait for the concrete to set up and dry, we are going to be installing our floodlights. These are straight off Amazon, solar floodlight 2-pack. Had a couple of them installed over the last 2-3 years. They hold up pretty long, last a long time. The solar power seems to work quite well for what we need it for, so we're going to be installing 2 of these to help illuminate this driveway. all set. It's time to bury the concrete and unscrew the supports.